Morning students. Today we will talk about base. We are studying chapter 6, acid, base and salt. Acid we already have done. Today we will discuss base. Base, its types, properties and uses. So let's start. What is base? First of all, question arises, what is base? The chemicals which are bitter in taste, slippery to touch, and turns red litmus blue are called base. Remember this? The chemicals which are bitter in taste, slippery to touch, and turns red litmus blue. You call BRB. Base turns red litmus blue are called base, such as baking soda, soaps, dishwashing soaps, all washing soaps, toothpaste, etc. And some chemicals like sodium hydroxide, NaOH, potassium hydroxide, KOH. We call potassium, but the formula starts from K. Magnesium hydroxide, MgOH whole 2. These are common base which we use in lab. Note that the chemicals which are base have hydroxide in common. Mostly we see base as hydroxide and carbonates, CO3. But mostly they are ends with OH. Now come to properties of base. Base are bitter in taste. First of all, this is the physical property. Next, physical properties, they are soapy or slippery to touch. If you touch a soap, you feel slippery. Next, chemical property. Strong bases like sodium hydroxide and potassium hydroxide. There are two strong bases, NaOH, KOH. Sodium hydroxide and potassium hydroxide. They are highly corrosive in nature. Corrosive means burning effect. Nature of burning. So these are to be handled carefully. Weak base, besides these two, all are weak base. Weak base like baking soda are harmless. So we eat them. We put baking soda in cake and in making of bread also. Fourth one is BRB. Base turns red litmus blue. And in acid case, ARB. No, sorry. In acid case, ABR. Acid turns blue litmus red, ABR. And in base, BRB. Base turns red litmus blue. Just opposite of acid. Some of the base are soluble in water and so they are called alkali. So we can say all alkali are base, but all base are not alkali because all base does not dissolve in water. So they are not called alkali. All base are not alkali, but all alkali are base because the base which dissolve in water are called alkali. Okay. Now there is a activity. What is this activity? Take two beakers, A and B. Add 100 ml water in both the beakers. In beaker A, add a spatula, means 1 spoon of sodium hydroxide and stir it with glass rod. And add 1 spatula of copper hydroxide in beaker B and again stir with a glass rod. Note your observation. Touch beaker A at the bottom. Is there any temperature change? Yes. When we touch beaker A, we feel it is hot. Sodium hydroxide, when mixed with water, it emits a lot of energy, lot of heat. So we feel temperature. But in case of copper hydroxide does not dissolve in water. So there is no heat, no temperature. This is the difference. Use of bases. What are the use of base? Why we are studying base? First, calcium hydroxide. Formula is CaOH2. Is used in whitewashing. It is called lime water. For neutralizing acidic soil and treating wastewater from factories. It is when soil is very acidic, we use calcium hydroxide in soil, and also it is used in wastewater from factories to neutralize them, and then it is thrown away. Potassium hydroxide, we call caustic potash, is used as a disinfectant. It is used in making soaps, lotion, shampoo, etc. It can also be used to make biodiesel. What is biodiesel? A type of diesel obtained from organic sources. Sodium hydroxide, NaOH, it is also called caustic soda, is used in manufacture of paper, textile, soaps. Textile means clothes industry. Soaps, detergent, and borax. Borax is a compound made from sodium hydroxide with other elements. Mild base like magnesium hydroxide, also called milk of magnesia, and aluminum hydroxide, they are used in high acidity. When we have acidity, we use we drink a medicine called antacid, which is actually magnesium hydroxide. There is a property, acid and base neutralizes each other. So here if we have acidity, we take magnesium hydroxide to neutralize the acid. Ammonium hydroxide is used to make household cleaner. It is used as a cleaner. Now give one word for the following. A base which is also known as caustic soda, sodium hydroxide. A mild base which can be used as an antacid. Here it is milk of magnesia, magnesium hydroxide. And another example is baking soda, also mild base. But it cannot be used as an antacid. So here the answer is magnesium hydroxide or milk of magnesia. A base which is used in whitewashing, calcium hydroxide, that is called lime water. Okay. Here are strong base and weak base. There are only two bases are strong, sodium hydroxide NaOH and potassium hydroxide KOH. Calcium weak base, calcium hydroxide CaOH2, ammonium hydroxide NH4OH, sodium carbonate Na2CO3, magnesium hydroxide MgOH2, sodium hydrogen carbonate NaHCO3. These are weak base. Here is a complete list of base, name of base, found in or common name, and their formula. First, calcium hydroxide, we call them lime water also, CaOH2. Calcium oxide, it is called quick lime, CaO. Sodium carbonate, washing soda, we call them washing soda. Na2CO3. Calcium carbonate, we call them marble also, CaCO3. Sodium hydroxide, caustic soda, NaOH, strong acid. Potassium hydroxide, KOH, used in soaps, detergent, lotion and shampoo, KOH. Sodium hydrogen carbonate, it is called baking soda, weak acid, NaHCO3. Magnesium hydroxide, milk of magnesia, mild base, MgOH(2), used in antacid. Ammonium hydroxide, used as cleaner, NH4OH. Mostly you see there are at the last they are OH or CO3. So they are base. Here is also a list, name of acid and found in. Acetic acid, vinegar. Formic acid, ant cysteine, we already discussed. Citric acid, citrus fruits such as orange, lemons, etc. Lactic acid, curd, sour milk. Oxalic acid, spinach, tomato. Ascorbic acid, amla, citrus fruits, also called vitamin C. Tartaric acid, tamarind, grapes, unripe mangoes, etc. All the acid mentioned above occur in nature. Occur in nature means they are weak acid, they are organic acid and found naturally because there is no HCl, H2SO4 or HNO3. Now come to base. Name of base found in calcium hydroxide, lime water, we call them lime water. Ammonium hydroxide, window cleaner or cleaner. Sodium hydroxide and potassium hydroxide, they are strong acid used in soaps. Magnesium hydroxide found in milk of magnesia, used in antacid. Okay. That's all for today. Thank you so much. Next class we will discuss indicators.